It's a younger team and full of innovation and creation. Just trust them and they will take your business to another level. Tyvok has a new idea, new design and new structure. It strikes a great balance between high power and compact design. With its precision, ease of use and safety features, K1 is ideal for makers and pros alike. I hope more people can discover the fun of laser technology and enjoy Tyvok K1 as a game changer. Tyvok is a younger team and full of innovation and creation. Just trust them, and they will take your business to another level. CO2 laser has longer wavelengths compared to diode laser, high power and better compatibility with non-metal materials, great for thick and clear acrylic, wood, and laser. Signage, creative design, modeling, packaging, laser wire, and education are the core application areas. Absolutely, features like autofocus, built-in presets, and camera alignment make machines much more beginner-friendly.